What's up guys, in this video I will talk about a very useful strategy in React to build your interfaces. There are several situations where you will have to build a list of components with different data. So in these situations you can store this data in some arrays, for example, and you can use some JavaScript methods like map or filter to build this list, to rendering this list of components. So pay attention on this image. Here we have a profile page, an example of a profile page, and in this profile page we have a list of interest of this person, and for each item list you can see that we have a pattern. So we have an icon and a title. In this case we can store this data in like I said before, in an array, and we can go through this array using a map function, for example, to rendering all these components. And here we have the same pattern. We have a profile picture here of a person and the name of this person. So in this case we can again store this data in an array and render these components. So now I'm gonna show you guys a practical example about how to implement this approach. Okay, so here we have an example that does not follow the good practice proposed by the React team. So here we have a lot of lines of code to implement this list. So here we have the same pattern of code being repeated a lot of times. Okay, so here we can start our implementation putting our data inside this array. Okay, so here we have all the data of these persons, this profile that we gonna show in this page. Okay, so here we can just let me copy this piece of code, and we can delete all of this code here. So first of all, we can return map. So we can do this people dot map, and inside this map we are going to get one person. Okay, and we can return something like that, UL. Okay, and here we can replace this data with the real data. We can get person. Let me change this here. Person dot URL image. So here we can change this data, getting the real data. So here, yeah, the person dot name. Okay, here we can get the person dot name and put it here. Here we're going to get person dot com. Okay. As you can see, we managed to reduce the number of lines of code and the complexity of our component. And yeah, that's it. This is a good practice that you can follow to improve your code during your development. Okay. Besides this, we can do another thing here. We can copy this data and put it in another separate file, and we can import this file here. Let me just copy the import code, and we can use this data inside our component. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have some questions, you can put it below on the comment section, and I will answer you. And that's it. See you next video.